Today I'm making the spiciest burger ever. Behind me are 10 subscribers and friends, and whoever eats the most of this burger will walk away with the Thor's hammer of chef knives. This knife is handcrafted by one man with handmade Damascus steel and one of the rarest woods on planet Earth as the handle. Now there already was a Spiciest burger, around 1 million Scoville. That restaurant closed down. Now this burger, on the other hand, we're making with the goal of hitting a minimum of 9 million Scoville. That's 2,250 times hotter than a jalapeno, 4,450 times hotter than Tabasco, and 9 times hotter than a ghost pepper, one of the hottest chilies on planet Earth. I am sorry for this. Once the burger is complete, then we begin the eating challenge.
We're incorporating some of the spiciest ingredients in the world in every single layer of this burger. We're gonna even take it as far to make our own American cheese, which I'm pretty sure is quite literally the spiciest American cheese that's ever been created. I'm not joking.
Just so you know, you can make this burger at home without the spicy stuff and still enjoy it.
But first, we're gonna talk buns. I'm calling them midnight buns. This is a little lighter. It's like 300 to 500 Scoville. Why do they look like they're burnt? Look, it's just squid ink. Pretty sure BK did this or something somewhere, but whatever. Measuring cup. Add half a cup or 120 milliliters of water, half a cup or 120 milliliters of whole milk. Those should both be lukewarm. Whisk in 2.5 teaspoons or 9 grams of instant yeast, 1 whole egg, 1 egg yolk, whisk. Pop that into a stand mixer. Now, how do we get this midnight level? 2 tablespoons or 40 grams of squid ink. Yes, it's gonna smell interesting, I can tell you that. Whisk that together, then you're gonna add a flour mixture consisting of 3.5 cups or 525 grams of bread flour, a third cup or 75 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons or 12 grams of fine sea salt, 1 gram of optional amylase enzyme for dough softening. Whisk that together until combined. Anyway, add that about a quarter cup at a time until all that's been added. Mix until smooth, about 2 minutes, then add 4.5 tablespoons or 65 grams of softened unsalted butter. Mix until homogeneous, rise in a bowl till doubled. About 1 hour, divide into 8 even pieces, roll those pieces into doit balls. Don't add more than 6 evenly spaced apart on a parchment lined baking sheet, please. Let that proof about 30 minutes. Brush lightly with a combination of 1 egg white, whisk with a tablespoon of water. Once they're all brushed, top with black sesame seeds and bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes or until firm and cooked through. You will not be able to tell how cooked or brown these are because, I mean, look at them. You can always check the internal temperature of about 190 Fahrenheit if you're really nervous. Moving on, a flavored mayo on a burger is a non-negotiable. And this one we're guesstimating could be around 6 million Scoville. In a blender, add 4 charred and peeled jalapenos, 4 fresh red Fresno chilies, 4 Thai chilies, 1 egg yolk, 3 cloves of garlic, 1.5 teaspoons or 25 grams of sugar, a generous level of salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. Here's where things change. 1 full heaping tablespoon or 15 grams of the hottest pepper extract in existence, Mad Dog pepper extract. This is so hot, it's advised specifically to not be ingested directly. It's also 9 million Scoville on its own. Anyway, blend that together, add a touch of water just to loosen, and blend on high until smooth. Now, while constantly blending, emulsify in about 3/4 of a cup or 180 milliliters of vegetable oil while that's blending until smooth and homogeneous. Then pour that into a bowl containing 1 cup or 240 grams of mayo, whisk together until combined, and that sauce doesn't look as evil as it really is. Moving on, bacon with about 3 million Scoville. 4.5 pound or 2 kilogram pork belly with skin off for the cure. Combine in a bowl, 45 grams of kosher salt. Now for the heat. 20 grams of jalapeno powder, 18 grams of Carolina Reaper powder, 30 grams of dark brown sugar, 14 grams ghost pepper powder, 5 grams of pink curing salt, that's Instacure #1, and 20 grams Carolina Reaper flakes. Whisk together, rub down your whole belly with all that seasoning. Pop in a gallon Ziploc bag, cure in the fridge for 7 days, pull it out, wash your cure off. Now, before smoking, make a quick rub consisting of 1 teaspoon or 1 gram of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon or 1 gram of red pepper flakes, the zest of 2 limes, 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 4 Carolina Reaper chilies finely chopped, mix by hand with a glove, please. Maybe toss in a handful of fresh cilantro to freshen it up a little. Rub your pork belly down with all of that. Pop into a smoker set to about 275 Fahrenheit until the pork reaches an internal temperature of 160 Fahrenheit. Pull it out, chill in the fridge overnight, and slice it up and fry it up. It is spicy. I feel bad and don't feel bad about how spicy this is. So we're gonna make a quick, easier pain dill pickle. Thinly slice 4 pickling cucumbers and place in a large 1 to 1.5 quart jar. In a medium sauce pot, add 1.5 tablespoons or 20 grams of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons or 6 grams of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon or 6 grams of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon or 4 grams of dill seeds, 2 tablespoons or 13 grams of red pepper flakes, 1.5 cups or 360 milliliters of white distilled vinegar, 1.5 cups or 360 milliliters of water. Bring to a boil over high heat, then immediately pour over your cukes. Cover with a heat-proof small container to keep everything submerged under that pickling liquid. Let that cool to room temp, and you have pickles. Let's talk about potentially the world's hottest American cheese. Coming in at 2 million Scoville. Medium sauce pot, add in 300 mils of whole milk, 50 grams of cold unsalted butter, heat over medium. Once that's hot and melted, mix in 18 grams of sodium citrate and 1 gram of sodium hexametaphosphate. Whoa, Josh, what am I, Bill Nye? Well, you may not be as cute as him, but you can literally buy this online. Probably on Amazon, like my newest cookbook, which is officially on pre-order. Wow. Link in the description. It's a special book, texture over taste. Anyway, slowly begin whisking in batches 500 grams of real grated cheddar cheese. Okay, no fake stuff. Only to use an immersion blender to ensure everything is melted nicely. Now, once all of your cheese is added, it's homogeneous. Using an immersion blender, blend in 1 sheet of gelatin. Once it's nice and glossy and incorporated, now you add 2 teaspoons or 8 grams of the spiciest pepper extract on planet Earth. 9 million Scoville exiting this bottle of Mad Dog pepper extract. Blend until combined, pour a very thin layer on a parchment lined, lightly greased quarter sheet tray. Make sure it's no thicker than about 1/8 of an inch thick. Repeat 2 to 3 times and chill in the fridge until firm. Remove and cut into 4x4 squares. Yes, it melts even better than the American cheese. Now, we're pretty much there. We can finally sear our burger, but I have one more trick up my sleeve that I learned while making the cubed frita from the Every Way to Make Hamburgers video. A spicy burger sauce glaze coming in at another 2 million Scoville. Again, double the heat of a ghost pepper. So, bowl, add 1/4 cup or 60 grams of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons or 45 grams of gochujang, 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of Pepper X hot sauce. This is a modified pepper that is so hot it pretty much doesn't exist without human intervention. 1 teaspoon or 6 grams of fine sea salt, 1 teaspoon or 3 grams of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon or 3 grams of cumin powder, 1/4 cup or 55 grams of white distilled vinegar, 1.5 cups or 360 milliliters of water was still combined. At this point, I felt it wasn't hot enough, so I added another 1/2 cup of Pepper X hot sauce. You know, go big or go home. Get yourself a nice searing hot pan. Set over medium-high heat. Add in a 6-ounce patty of 75-25 lean. Never any leaner than that. God, please stop. Anyway, season generously with salt and pepper. Press it out a little bit. Sear for about 3 minutes. Flip. Season again with salt and pepper. Sear for another 3 minutes. Cut the heat to medium and generously douse your patty with your Pepper X sauce. This is where a problem kicked in. It was worse than I expected. And now we're sending the vapor of the Pepper X sauce throughout the air of my kitchen. Here's how it went. Look, let's just finish this up. Toast your bun in butter once it's, I think, toasted. Now your bottom bun, your death sauce, ease your pain pickles, your open the windows beef, the world's spiciest American cheese, crispy ghost pepper bacon, more death sauce, and crown your, well, normally I'd say king, but there's no king. This is more like a deadly emperor or something. Looking at this absolute monster, I know eating this burger is gonna be more of a mental challenge than a physical one.
And that's why today's sponsor is BetterHelp. As you can see, we're in the new studio. It's a little bit of a mess. Whether you're going through a hard time or just want a mental health checkup, then maybe consider BetterHelp, a platform that makes finding a licensed therapist easier and more affordable. You fill out a survey about your needs and preferences and get matched with a professional therapist. And in just a few days, you can start therapy from your own home without being limited to only therapists near you. Please take care of yourself physically, but especially mentally. If you want to learn more about BetterHelp, go to the link in the description, betterhelp.com/Weissman, to get 10% off your first month to see if, online therapy is right for you. Now back to the video. Before we get to the burger, we have a meatball warm-up. We have 4 meatballs, all ranging from low to hot. So this is their opportunity to tap out, or if they drink water or milk, they're also out. Round 1, let's begin. Okay, in front of you, you have the most tame meatball. I wanted to start things off light. Meatball number 1. This is the bomb.
I don't like hot sauce. In general, I feel good about hot sauces. That one is worrying me.
Please, begin. Remember guys, we can always tap out. It's okay to tap out. There's no shame in it.
I'm a little scared. I'm a little nervous. People were hyping it up back there.
Big juicy hot ball.
Yeah, it's there.
That honestly tastes awful.
The hat's already off. Okay, all right.
My dad is also competing in the challenge with me.
I don't know if my son can beat me or not. I can eat some pretty hot stuff too. But we're gonna go drink some beer together and celebrate. If he wins, I'll celebrate for him. If I win, he celebrates for me.
But will any of them tap out?
This guy has 0 reaction.
I can't tap out, bro.
How we feeling?
That's hot stuff right there. I don't think I'm gonna make the end, no.
My heart rate's going, but I'm good.
My fiance's name is Michaela Manuel, and I'm here to beat him.
She is coming in a little overconfident, I think.
I've loved spicy food longer than I've known him. If we can do this together, our marriage will last forever.
I mostly feel it in my legs.
This is gonna be a big emotional journey. I'm gonna cry the whole time, and it's gonna be all right.
Surprisingly, they're holding strong. Let's see if round 2 can take anybody out.
This is the mean green. So now we're gonna set it around 1 million Scoville. There's a buzzer or there's a meatball.
See you on the other side.
Oh, okay, we got a technique. I'll allow that.
How's that nose play treating you?
I'm already done.
All right, let's see how everyone else is feeling.
I'm feeling okay.
This one was nowhere near as bad.
The pinch in the nose, that's it.
The bomb made me think about tapping out. This one was okay.
This one was good. I would buy it and eat it.
Not really the reaction we were hoping for, but round 3 should definitely take some people out.
This is Reaper Squeezins. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy your meatball.
I do eat hot sauce every day. I've been training on accident for this.
See some running eyes?
This one lingers a little bit. It got me crying. The spice hit my uvula. It's going down.
Definitely feeling this one.
I feel like that video where the guy's like, I'm just wondering why everybody's still standing here.
I'm wondering the same thing, Arnie. Are people gonna finally tap out?
Oh boy. Is this gonna make it all the way down to the burger?
Only one way to find out. Round 4, Pepper X hot sauce.
Meatballs up.
For Josh. Balls up for Josh.
Balls up for Josh.
Let's go.
I'm just trying to swallow it before it hurts.
That's what she said.
If my nose start running, it ain't me.
I just feel like it doesn't matter what I'm feeling at this point. I'm in too deep.
Somehow everyone has made it through. I guess if everyone is able to eat the burger, everyone gets a knife. That's not going to happen. Now we move on to the final round. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. Each contestant will be given a burger weighing exactly 12 ounces. After the first bite, each contestant must wait 1 full minute before continuing the rest of the burger. If nobody finishes, then we'll weigh the burgers and whoever has the least amount in weight wins. If you're out. Let's begin.
Contestants look ready to go. Let's see how they think they'll do.
I'm gonna win.
I'm hoping for at least top 3.
Top 3.
At least top 3.
Top 10%.
As long as I can just commit to being out there and get through that journey, I'm gonna be happy even if I'm the 10th.
I wouldn't want even my worst enemy to eat this. We haven't even started and I feel bad.
Every part of that burger is spicy, right? Yes. Oh, God.
1 bite, I'll start the timer. When you're ready and take that first bite, I'll start the 1 minute timer. You set it down, you wait, and then we continue after.
Get it over with.
Here goes nothing.
Yeah! Boom. Your 1 minute begins.
Holy mother.
There are things happening in my body.
Spicy.
Literally burning the inside of my cheek.
Think about, think about all the good times that there are in life. There's highs and lows.
This is a low, Joshua.
There's a high inside a low. What's the silver lining?
I'm never gonna have to eat anything this hot again.
That's a beautiful silver lining.
Yeah, it's burning, stabbing at the same time.
God, it hits your ears.
That's up, man.
Right, she's meditating. That minute flew by. 3, 2, 1, and now you can eat.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, that looks painful. We've got to get some tap outs.
I'm out. Oh man. Respect. Somebody get this man some milk. Boom.
That's hot.
Okay, 3 down, 7 to go. Who's next?
Okay, I'm gonna do one more.
This is for everyone.
Cheers. Wow, 2 bites. Yeah. Oh, wow. Monstrous bite. Oh my. I'm scared right now. Okay, are you stretching out?
I'm just getting the blood flow.
Does holding your nose help?
Oh yeah. You don't want to breathe that in.
How are you feeling right now?
Some burn.
Some
in
burn?
my throat, yeah.
It's kicking in. How would you describe the heat?
With words normally.
Ooh. Whoa.
That was our first hiccup.
Holy.
That's kicking in.
There's a second one.
No, the tears are coming, baby. Here we go.
So hot.
All right, sorry, man.
Woo! Hey, 2 bites.
Feels like I just went to a volcano and just poured lava down my mouth.
She's going for the 3rd. No way. Bite 3. 3rd bite. Ooh. Fight it through, girl. What do you got? Oh, snap. What's going through your head?
Dude, so much right now where I'm in the temple right now, the shaman are around me, and it's a whole sweaty mess.
4. Oh, snap. Wow. The pain in people's eyes as they eat it is just remarkable.
I think.
Oh. Will she keep going?
And there it is. Only 5 contestants remain.
I'm the hottest man out here, man. Hot boy.
I made burgers last night. Hopefully my body's like in burger mode and it's gonna take this one really nicely.
Good Lord, this guy's demolishing this
Dude,
burger.
crying is so good for you.
It catches up with you.
The bacon touched the very back of my throat, and that's kicking my right now. That's how I feel.
You could always press that button, man.
Who's gonna carry the boats and the logs?
You are.
I wanna. I'm crying.
We got 5.
Big girls don't cry, we got this. All right.
We're going for 5. 5 bites. Diabolical. Y'all are wildin'.
This sucks.
I'd be calling my mom right now.
I love spicy food.
Dude, I got to put stuff in a box and move it after this.
You got barbecue sauce on it, babe?
I think I'm gonna do one more bite.
Oh my God, 6. Oh man. Yeah, wow, 6. Wow, 7 bites. Bite number 8.
I'm done.
Wow, wow.
You hit 5 and your lips start to burn. You don't want to die.
That burger, what I imagine like being pepper sprayed feels like in the mouth and like down the throat.
And with that, we're down to 3. The ultimate showdown begins.
Oh, it hurts. Oh my God.
I gotta stop breathing. Oh man, that's the trick. My stomach is on fire right now, man.
I think I gotta feel more.
Yeah, let's go, okay. Wow.
Oh my God. I can't see.
This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Incredible.
I got one more bite, bro.
Oh my God.
Who's gonna carry the booth?
How do we feel? They don't know me, son. They don't know me, son.
Wow, we're done.
Oh, I feel it all.
I feel it all.
I'm feeling hype. I feel like I just ran a race. I can't feel my tongue. I think I won.
The weighing begins. Some serious troopers in this. I'm kind of mind boggled. I'm gonna announce people in reverse order leading up to the winner of this competition. If I announce your name, politely walk off. George. Yeah, boy! Yeah! Dan. Hey, anybody who ate this burger is a step above me. Mikhail, 10.7. Mina, 10.5. Sarah, 8.0. Wow. Out of the 10s, out of the 10s. Shannon, 5.7. Whoa. Hayden, 5.5. Solid. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed Arnie.
That's okay, keep going.
Arnie, unfortunately, you were at 10.5. I'm sorry. We're back in the 10s. We're back in the 10s. Now we have 2 people here. The amazing thing is this was actually by 0.10 ounces. 10% of an ounce. Gentlemen, please give me your hands. I hope you wash them. But our winner today is Stevie. Beast mode. Wow. Let's go. Let's give it up for Stevie. Yes. Thor's hammer, handmade by Jody Hale of Pie Cutlery. He forges the steel. He makes the handle. Everything is done by one man for one blade, made specifically for you.
Pie.
Yes, Pie Cutlery, dude.
That's tight right there.
A little bit of a design. He engraved a little tiny chili pepper. Killed it. You deserve it. You're walking away with the blade of a dream. I hope you use it well.
I will.
Good work.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You too at home can win a knife. It won't be the same one, but it will be badass. All you have to do is pre-order my new cookbook, drop a comment letting us know, and you'll be entered for a chance to win. And the winner will be announced in an upcoming video. Don't forget, if you want to learn more about a more affordable and easy way to do online therapy, don't forget to check out our sponsor, BetterHelp, link in the description, betterhelp.com/Weissman for 10% off your first month to see if online therapy is right for you. Bye.